How to change Planet Fitness payment method. Now, changing a specific payment method on the Planet Fitness app is quite simple and very easy to do. And Planet Fitness requires credit card and checking account information primarily for automatic billing of membership fees. This process also provides convenience for members and creates a steady revenue stream for the gym. Now, for you to be able to change it, just simply head over directly to your billing information for you to make a payment online or in the Planet Fitness app. Log into your Planet Fitness application account, and then head directly to your billing queries. Once you're there, just simply update your billing information or the card that you have gained as one of the payment method on your Planet Fitness app. Right there, have it confirmed for you to be able to successfully change your payment method. So that is how you change your payment method on the Planet Fitness app.